Hey there, let's learn about Helperbird. Helperbird is a browser extension. To open Helperbird in your browser, look for the Helperbird icon. Click that to launch Helperbird. Here is what we call the Quick Actions menu. To add a feature to the Quick Actions menu, look for this icon of squares and a plus sign. Click that, and then you can add or remove different features to the Quick Actions menu. If you need to search for a feature, click the magnifying glass and type in the search bar to search for a specific feature. This cog icon launches the options menu. Here you can access your account, where you can log in with your subscription key. Here you can also enable shortcuts or dark mode and access your settings. At the bottom of the Quick Actions menu, you'll see the features list. In order to open up the entire library of Helperbird features, click this arrow to toggle the features on. And here you can scroll through all of Helperbird's features and their settings. To close the features and return to the Quick Actions menu, click that same arrow to toggle it closed. If you want to turn Helperbird off, go to the top right toggle. Here's where you can turn Helperbird off and on. While navigating the web, how to know if Helperbird is on or not, look at the Helperbird icon and see if the word off or the word on is displayed. And that's how you get around Helperbird. Now let's dive in to some of our most popular features. First, let's learn how to change the font in Helperbird. Navigate to Reading Options and click this square with an arrow icon to open that feature and all of its settings. Find Font, and to the right you will see a toggle bar. Click to toggle the font features on. Here you can choose which font you would like websites to be displayed with. There are many fonts to choose from. Let's pick Lex and Peta for now. You also have options for your text size, word and letter spacing, line height, and alignment, as well as colors for the text, links, background, and highlights, and where you can add borders. Next, let's learn how to use the highlight menu in Helperbird. Find the highlight menu feature and click the toggle to the right to turn the highlight menu to on. The highlight menu is a handy-dandy menu that pops up whenever you highlight text on the web, enabling a quick little toolbar that's very easily accessible after text is highlighted. You can use the play and stop button to have the text highlighted read aloud. You can use the dictionary or search buttons to define or search what you have highlighted. You can use the Immersive Reader button to launch your highlighted text with Immersive Reader. You can translate your text, and you can highlight your text in a fun color. Speaking of Immersive Reader just now, let's dive in and learn about this incredibly robust feature in Helperbird. So let's select some text and launch Immersive Reader through the highlight menu. But you could also launch Immersive Reader without highlighting text in the Immersive Reader feature. And what that would do would be to open the entire website with Immersive Reader. For now, we're going to just select this text and launch Immersive Reader. Now that Immersive Reader is launched, let's do a brief run-through of some of the best features within Immersive Reader. First, you have your text-to-speech settings, like speed or whether it is a female or male voice, and this play button.
Begun for the most magical television night of the year, but Toy Show host Patrick Keelty is well aware that this is more than just a night of fun and games.
And pause button will read the text aloud to you. In the top right corner, you have 3 icons, one for text preferences, one for grammar options, and one for reading preferences. Under text preferences, you can increase or decrease the text size, change the font, or color theme. Under grammar options, you can turn on, using these toggles, different parts of speech, and they are highlighted in a different color, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. You could also break words up by syllables by toggling that on. So a word like families, you see, is broken up by fam-a-lies. Next, your reading preferences menu can enable a line focus on or off, as well as turn picture dictionary on or off. Picture dictionary is a great feature. All you have to do is click on any single word, and an illustration of what that word means will pop up, as well as allow you to listen to the pronunciation of that word.
Cam.
And that's some of the incredible features within Immersive Reader built in to Helperbird. Next, let's look at the Dyslexia Tools feature. We're going to click this icon to open. And here we have some rulers and guides. Let's turn on Dyslexia Ruler first. Click to the right to toggle Dyslexia Ruler to on. This opens up a ruler to help you focus while reading on the web. You can adjust the height and width, of your ruler, as well as the color, the brightness, the fixed position on the website, or use the follow cursor toggle to make the dyslexia ruler follow your cursor. The focus ruler is almost the opposite of the dyslexia ruler. Click to toggle that on, and what this does is it washes the entire screen in a color overlay and instead reveals text through the overlay. Next, we have a reading guide, which acts almost like if you were to use your bookmark to underline as you read each sentence in a book. And we have an overlay that will wash the entire page in a specific color. And those are some of the dyslexia tool options. Next, let's learn how to use the text-to-speech feature in Helperbird. Navigate to text-to-speech, click to open. There are dozens of high-quality voices with different nationalities and accents. Click play to have the text on the current web page read out to you.
The countdown has truly begun for the most magical television night of the year.
Next to the play and stop buttons are the text-to-speech settings. Click this to change the speed and pitch of the text-to-speech voice.
The countdown has truly begun for the most magical television night of the year, but Toy Show host Patrick Keelty is well.
These settings apply not just to the text-to-speech feature, but also to the voice typing feature. navigate to voice typing and click to open. Here you can use your own voice to type. Choose the language you'll be speaking in and click the pink microphone to start. Hi there. We're learning together how to best use all the amazing Helperbird features. Click to stop. To the left, we have a grammar option. When you click this, the text you've just typed will be cleaned up and the spelling and grammar will be adjusted. This is your options button, which will allow you to listen back to what you've just typed, opening up the text-to-speech pop-up.
Hi there. We are learning together how to best use all the amazing Helperbird features.
You can also copy the text, clear it to start over, or print your text. Next, let's learn about sticky notes. Click this sticky note icon to add a sticky note to the website you have open. You can click in the top of your sticky note to drag and stick it to anywhere you want on the website you have open. The note will stay in place, just like a sticky note. You can change the title of the note and then write your note in the body of the sticky note. You can change the color of your sticky note with these color options below. And you can add multiple sticky notes to a page. These sticky notes will stay in place, but also will remain on the website even if you navigate away from that page. When you come back to it, the sticky notes will still be there. Next, let's learn how to open, read, and edit a PDF in Helperbird. If you're using Chrome, when you come across a PDF on the web, you can click Open PDF in Helperbird. This will launch the Helperbird PDF Reader. Right here is where you can navigate through the PDF's pages. The PDF Reader has text-to-speech built in, and you can control the text-to-speech with the play, pause, and stop buttons.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived.
If you would like to annotate the PDF and add a note, click this pencil icon. Then click where you would like to add the note. Just like a sticky note, you can move this anywhere on the PDF and it will stick to it. What's helpful about the note mode is that you can add annotations to the PDF that can then be downloaded with your notes. So under the download option, you can download just the notes that you have left, just the original PDF, or the PDF with your notes embedded. This top right pink icon allows you to open a PDF from your computer. This bottom right pink icon launches additional tools within the Helperbird PDF Reader. As you can see, Helperbird has a lot of amazing customizable features. If you go to helperbird.com, you can download and try Helperbird for free. To learn more about any particular feature and how to use it, we have helpful help guides, as well as a YouTube channel with tutorials on every feature. And if you need additional help, you can always reach a member of Helperbird staff by going to helperbird.com, finding this pink text box icon in the bottom right corner, and you will be immediately connected to a help chat with a real person and never a bot. And that's our very quick overview of Helperbird and some of our most popular features. Thank you for watching.